Here's the cam installed. Spins fun. This is a cam sync with the composite gear. It's a little chewed up already, but from the previous test. But in there, I have the clamp, but you can see that it just kind of, it's like it's jumping between the teeth. Pop that out. My old distributor with the steel gear that came on the cam sync. I know you're not supposed to use steel with this, but it's just to test it. I will put the clamp on, hold down. Can't even turn it. Okay, so this is with the thrust plate shimmed out. Kind of see down there I've got a stack of 50,000 shims behind the thrust plate. That lets the cam slide forward. Took the same cam sync with the plastic gear. Still feel it, it's still a little, makes noise, but it spins. Take this out. Put this distributor with the steel gear in. I can spin it now. It spins easy. Makes noise. But it's much improved. So here's my theory, is that it doesn't really matter exactly where the cam gear is. The tooth profile is the same across the whole gear. It's like a thread. So when you pull the cam forward, it gets kind of the bad spot out of the way of the distributor gear and lets it run smoother. That's my theory anyways.